How do I add money to Stash account? Stash is a financial app that offers investing, banking, and budgeting tools. Adding money to your Stash account is simple and can typically be done through their mobile app or website. Here are the steps. Open the app and sign in to your account. Look for an option like Add Money or Transfer. If this is your first time adding money, you may need to link your external bank account by providing your banking details. Specify how much money you'd like to transfer to your Stash account. Review the transaction details, and confirm the transfer. The money will usually take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on your bank. If you face any issues, contact Stash support. Stash also offers a tax-free investment option where you can save small amounts of money every day from a connected bank card. Thanks for watching.